everyone, welcome back to Skill Deck channel. My name is Richa. I'm here to guide you today about salary benchmarking. So salary benchmarking and salary baselining, these are two different things which we are going to cover today in this video. And I know it's a very important topic. I came to know from your comments that yes, you want to learn this, and because of that I'm going to make this video today. And if you want me to make such videos, please do comment and please guide me what are the other topics you want me to record. Now for today's topic, let's go and let's start learning. Now let's first understand what is the difference between a benchmarking and a baselining. Benchmarking is something which we compare with the outside data. My same industry, my same company size, what's happening outside. That's called as benchmarking. Suppose I'm Skilldeck. Now I want to appoint a recruiter. So I'll say, okay, in a consultancy industry of approximately 100 employee strength, my company size, how much is the salary that's going outside in the market? That's called as benchmarking. But there is another term, baselining. Baselining means when you compare with your internal data. That we use, baselining we use for our internal targets. Let's suppose I want to give a target to my sales team, to my recruitment team. How I will give them the targets? So targets will be by base. Targets will always be baselined, where you will compare that what has been already achieved by your team, so that taking a reference from that particular data, you can now give the target. That's called as baselining. So baselining is always internal, benchmarking is always external. Benchmarking we use for salaries. You would have seen there are so many surveys that Payscale does that, Paycheck does that. So many companies, they do the surveys every year to see what's the salary hike. But actually designation wise, industry wise, and the company size wise, that's the data we don't get. We have a various ways to do the benchmarking. First, I will teach you through a tool called as Payscale. Then we will be learning how to do the benchmarking manually. So on your screen, you are able to see the Payscale. Payscale is one of the tool we use for a benchmarking. Just sign up with your official ID and write down the designation. Let's say I'm looking for PHP developer. I am benchmarking a PHP developer for Bangalore. Select next. Now it will ask you the skill sets, years of experience that we have to put. Minimum I want 3, maximum I want 6 years. Education, bachelor's is, and what are the skill set now you need? Just put it so that it can benchmark accordingly. This person is not going to supervise. I don't need any certifications. Let's move next. Now it's generating a report for you. We have to read the report from here. This is the total cash compensation. This is 50th percentile. We don't call it as percentage, it is 50th percentile. 50th percentile means what is the 50th percent of market, what they are offering. So cash component means a gross what the company is off, the companies are offering is 12,95,011. 25 percentile means 75% of the companies in market is offering more than 9,24,000. 10th percentile means more than 90% of companies in the market is offering more than 6,67,000. 75th percentile means more than 25% of companies in the market are offering 18 lakh 45,317. 90th percentile means only 10% of the companies are offering more than 26 lakhs. So your ideal range always falls between 50th to 75th percentile. Because if you will give the salary less than 50th percentile, the 50% of the market is available to the candidate to join other company. So there will be a problem. When you register on Payscale, at that time it asks your company name, how many employees strength, so that it can benchmark accordingly. And that's how we are getting the data. That's the one way. The second way to do the manual benchmarking is we'll go to the sites like Glassdoor, Naukri, Monster, where the jobs are there, and we will see what the ideal salary range my competitors are offering. Whenever in stats we do any analysis, the bigger data, the right results. So try to find as much as the competitors you can with minimum 10 at least. So let's say I'm looking for same PHP developer, or I'll not write it like this. I'll open Naukri. You can go to Ambition Box, you can go to Glassdoor, so to see that what is the salary range been offering. Let's find PHP developer with an experience of 3 years in Bangalore. Now I will only take those jobs which are of my competitor, means my same company size. Normally when the companies put, they put give a range. So we can see minimum range they have given 5 lakh, maximum is 8 lakh. Like that, keep finding your competitors and now write minimum, midpoint, maximum. So let's say the first competitor I found is 5 lakh, maximum 8 lakh. Like that, keep finding at least 10 competitors. I'm giving a rough ranges for now. Like that, you will get the data. Then you will have to find a midpoint. The formula of midpoint is minimum plus max minus minimum divided by 2. Minimum plus max minus minimum divided by 2. Now do the average. That's called as your 50th percentile. So this is the bare minimum salary you should. This is what it's going in the market. If you want to see 60th percentile, 75th percentile, Payscale was automatically doing it. Now what you can do, just go to percentile calculator in Google, your midpoints, put it here. Now I want to see what is the 75th percentile. I'll come to know. So this is the way we should do our benchmarking to see that 70% is going. What is 70th percentile means, what the 30% of companies are offering. To see 40%, 40th percentile, that means how 60% of market what is offering. That all you can do it through the percentile calculator. But ideal is the minimum is 50th percentile. This is called as benchmarking. I hope you have understood how we check what's going in the market, how we analyze, we do the, this is a very important part of job evaluation, because before you write a JD, you should understand the market. Otherwise, your recruitment efforts for your entire team is wasted. And if you have liked today's video, hit like, subscribe Skill Deck channel. Please watch our videos and visit our website www.theskilldeck.com. We are launching a very new courses. Please stay tuned for our upcoming. We will be posting the new courses on our website very soon. And don't forget to comment and tell me what are the another topics you want me to cover. I will keep coming with the new videos with your topics, whatever you want me to record on. By then, take care. I hope to see you soon in some other video. By then, take care. Bye bye.